Hello and welcome to another video of the IT Career Guide YouTube channel. This video is for the 5-Minute Wednesday video series, a video series where I use 5 minutes or less to give you an introduction into a certain IT related topic so that you can do some research and potentially go a little deeper into that topic. In today's video, I want to talk about the importance of your LinkedIn profile. LinkedIn, you know this, is the network for professionals. You can post your resume there, you can search for jobs, you can connect with other people in other companies, industries, and so on. And there's a lot more on LinkedIn. There's also education available. But today I want to talk about really the importance of your LinkedIn profile and that you should spend some time creating a professionally looking profile. LinkedIn really has gained a lot of importance and value over time. A lot of recruiters use LinkedIn to look for new candidates for certain positions. And well, if you look around with many LinkedIn profiles, it's just the basic stuff. It's nothing fancy. And so if you go the extra mile and provide just a little bit more value in your LinkedIn profile, it might really make a difference. So as an example, if you want to get into a different type of position in information technology, so let's say you want to move from systems engineering or systems administration into information security. An important step in that case would be not only to put information into your LinkedIn profile of what you have done or what you're doing currently, but also potentially with keywords that are related to your future role that you want to obtain. So if you want to get into information security, well, start customizing your profile a little bit, pointing towards information security. Gives the recruiter a hint that you want to get into information security. So you can write more text, and that's really the benefit of LinkedIn. You can provide information and write out text, not just put a list of bullet points in there and call it good, or just have the basic information. I worked at XYZ company from 2011 to 2013. Boom. Next one. So spend a little time, describe what you did, describe projects that you did, and then infuse keywords related to your potentially job search that you are starting so that recruiters can find you. So if they search for information security analyst and you have related keywords in your profile, well, they might pull up your profile and then realize, that looks like a good candidate, has a strong background in many areas. I will reach out to that person. So, and when I say keywords in this video here, what I really mean is that you put appropriate information with the right keywords in there. So let's say you are doing some information security related work already. I know I mentioned before, if you're a systems engineer, system administrator, so if you work with, let's say, Active Directory and you're working with the information security team on certain research, looking into certain issues, securing Active Directory with group policies, pushing group policies to servers and machines, compliance. So those are items that you can list, and that's where you have to find the right keywords related to information security. So please do not just infuse those keywords, but put them into the appropriate context. When you write information about the work that you do and there's something that is information security related, then write it appropriately, but make sure that within those sentences or paragraphs or bullet points that you have the right keywords in there. So do not just enter keywords, put them into the right context so that it makes sense for a recruiter when they find your profile to understand what you are doing. And also remember, you can set your profile for recruiters to understand that you are looking for new work. So there's a profile setting that makes it visible to recruiters that you are interested in obtaining a new position. So spend the time. Also, you make sure you have a good looking profile picture there. Nobody wants to see you hiking or in your swim trunks or anything. So it doesn't have to be necessarily a professional photo shoot that you have to take, but a good looking profile picture goes a long way. Ask a friend, family member, wife, spouse, husband, whatever, neighbor, to take a profile picture. Pick a kind of neutral background, make sure the lighting is good, and then just fire away. So that's it for this 5-Minute Wednesday video. I hope you got some value out of it. Please do some research in regards to LinkedIn profile optimization. And I hope it really helps you to obtain the next position in your IT career. So thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. I would really appreciate it. Thanks and have a great day. Bye-bye.